Hello, I'm Stephanie Chiswick, Editor-in-Chief of CoatingsPro magazine. I'm going to take you on a walk through the July 2021 issue of CoatingsPro today. First up are the feature stories highlighting the coatings contractors on various job sites. This month, we have some exciting ones, from coating the modules of exposed steel at a new NFL stadium in California to installing an acrylic heat-reflective system on a rooftop of a new concrete tank. The Never Again article covers a steel cargo container that has cracks and showed rusts in the new coating. What are the findings and key takeaways from that premature coating failure? And for our science behind it this issue, we're explaining why fibers were used in the concrete floors of a milk and cheese production facility, and what you might be able to do with those fibers during the prep portion of a similar job. As for the departments this July, one of the members of our editorial advisory group gives a great overview of through-wall flashings and transition membranes for coatings contractors and specifiers. A familiar face is showing up in this issue's industry insight. Warren Brand gives a high-level overview of desalination, what we need to know and why. And be sure to check out the special spotlight section this issue for snippets on new products and services for 2021. If you're headed to the final version of Coatings Plus conference, be sure to check out the advanced program in this issue. Next year, the SSPC and NACE Conference and Expos will be combined into something even bigger and broader. Let us know what you think of this July issue. Check out our podcasts, our webcasts, white papers, and so much more online at coatingspromag.com. And as always, happy coding.